Hallo und herzlich willkommen. Heute habe ich wieder etwas ganz Besonderes für euch, und zwar von einem Schulstreich, der schiefgegangen ist, bis hin dazu, dass jemand versucht, auf eigene Faust einen Geist in seiner Wohnung ausfindig zu machen, haben wir alles dabei. Leider kann ich in diesem Video nicht sehr viel beitragen, da es die Personen für mich übernehmen. Und nun wünsche ich euch viel Spaß.
I don't know if you could hear that, but that's footsteps above me, and I'm the only one here. And there's only one way to get up there. Okay. Oh, this is creepy. Okay, it's about 4:30 and I'm by myself. There's only one way to get up there though. And you could tell with all this stuff that's messed up, the seniors did their senior prank, senior sneak. Okay, see, but there's only one way in there to the attic, and that's locked. And I remember locking that, and there's no other way in there. But there's someone in the attic, and I'm too scared to look. Okay, let's go back in here. See, that's what it sounds like when someone's like when they're in the attic and you're in this room. That's what it sounds like. I'm too scared right now to look, but that is something else. Oh, chills. I gotta go outside. It's giving me anxiety.
I've been hearing weird noises, and this door has been like opening and closing. Yo, what the fuck? Yo. What was that? What was it? Yo. You know, no strings, anything, just in case one of them actually does fall over. Fan is off. Alright, if there's anything in here, knock one of these things over. What the hell? These are like sturdy too, like, you know, me walking around, the breeze, like the little bit of airflow off of me and me stepping around them on the floor is not moving them. That's pretty cool.
titigil. May bata! Sige ka lang! Totoo! Bakit hindi na binidyo? Balikan tayo! Nakita mo? Nakita mo yan! Meron ako nakitang video. Magaling siya! Magaling siya!
Na, wie hat euch dieses Video gefallen? Wollt ihr mehr solcher Videos sehen? Wie echt haltet ihr eigentlich diese Videos? Lasst es mich in den Kommentaren wissen. Und wie immer, bis zum nächsten Mal.